My name is Paul Lawrence, and I've been in math education for over 40 years. I started a company 10 years ago called LLTeach, and we now have 42 employees that go out and do professional development across the United States. But one thing that we always hear is, how can I get kids to understand mathematics a little bit more? We have to use manipulatives in the class. An exciting manipulative that we can use are geoboards. This thing is a geoboard. It is a 10 by 10 geoboard. There are 100 squares in here, 11 pins going across here, 11 pins going there, and 100 squares inside. There are so many different applications for this board, blow your mind. So let me just show you a couple that you can do with the geoboard. Basically what you can do is you can put the geoboard down flat, and you can say to the kids, what I'd like you to do is I want you to create a square whose area is, let's say, 16 square units. What you can do to make sure that the kids understand that they have the area is that you can put a communicator on top, and you can put an X on top of each square. If you put an X on top of each square that is formed, the kid can then see that that is 16 square units. Now, what you can do with a communicator is erase, and then you can draw another one. But let me show you something really cool you can do with addition, facts, and algebra. Number one, I'm going to draw a rectangle whose area is, I'm going to make a rectangle whose area is 5 square units. Now I'm drawing a rectangle whose area is 5 square units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to make another one whose area is 3 square units. So now I have 5 plus 3, and I have 8 total square units. I have just created a geometric interpretation of a number sentence. Created 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. The minute you see this, your imagination goes crazy. Because what you can do is now you can say to the kids, create 2 rectangles that sum to 10. And you get all the 10 facts. Get all your 10 facts. You can say to kids, create 2 rectangles that add to 12, so that one is double the other one. Think of the algebraic thinking. This kind of activity is limited just to our imaginations. You can use this activity in grades 3, 4, 5, all the way up to high school. Because basically what you're doing is you can do the algebraic thinking, but you also can do those basic number facts. So if you like this kind of idea that we've seen here, we have over 500 lessons that we've made up that are alternative kinds of ways to get kids to understand key concepts of mathematics. Go to LLTeach.com, and you can get free trial for 15 days of what we call our content series. And we want you to remember that when you do math, every day is a good day.